Hey friends, hope you're having an awesome day. In this video we're going to be drawing Hello Kitty, but it'll be Hello Kitty as an ice cream, because we love ice cream and we also love Hello Kitty, so we're going to draw them together. So I hope you follow along and have lots of fun. All you need is something to draw with, some paper, and something to colour in with. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off with doing Hello Kitty's little bow. So we're going to do it on the top corner here. So Hello Kitty always wears a cute little bow in her head or hair. So we're going to start off with drawing a circle like this, and that's going to be the centre of the bow there. Cool. Alright, and we're going to draw the bow on each side. So we're going to have a curved line going out here like that. Cool. And then we're going to keep these corners nice and round, and we're going to have another little curved corner going down here like that. And then we just join at the bottom here, back to the circle. So it kind of looks a bit like a triangle, maybe a bit of a squashed square shape. And we just do the same on the other side, except it's just this side, maybe just a tiny little bit smaller. There we go. Awesome, looking good. Now in the middle, we're going to add some detail. We're just going to add just a loop or a U shape. Just like that. We'll do the same on the other side. Alright, so now let's draw Hello Kitty's head. So I'm going to start drawing the top of the head here. Most of the top of the head is covered by the bow, but you can see a little bit. So you have a bit of a curved line that's a little bit straight, like that. And now we're going to draw the ears. The ears are nice and pointy, or kind of rounded and pointy. So kind of like a triangle, but we're not going to draw the bottom line. So we're going to draw the top line going up here like that, and then another curved line down like that. And we do the same on the other side, except this time it's hidden by the bow, so you only see a little bit of it pop out there like that. Alright, and now let's draw the side of Hello Kitty's head. So there's a nice curved line. I'm going to stop about here. And then we do the same on the other side. Again, part of it is hidden by the bow, so it's just a shorter shape. So normally when we draw a Hello Kitty, we draw a nice curved line around there like that to make up the shape of her head. But because she's an ice cream and she's sitting in an ice cream cone, we want to have a bit of drip of ice cream sort of thing. So instead we're going to draw a nice curved shape like that, kind of like a U or C shape. And that's kind of the part where it's sitting on top of the ice cream cone. And we're going to do it about 4 or 5 curves like that, nice and easy. They don't all have to be the same size, because when you're eating an ice cream, it's not all exactly the same. Oh, there we go. So that's starting to look good. Now let's add some more details on Hello Kitty's face. So let's, in the center here, we're going to draw an oval. A horizontal oval. And that's for her nose, and then the eyes are sitting about here. So again, 2 ovals there, like that. What I like to do with my eyes, you can colour it all in black or any other colour. I draw another little circle in there like that, and then I colour the rest in, so that looks like it's got a bit of a highlight in it. Okay, now the only other thing that's missing from Hello Kitty's face is, because she's a cat, she's got whiskers. So we're going to draw 3 whiskers, and they sit about here. 1, 2, 3. Do the same on the other side. You start on the other side, that's fine. And there, like that. Nice, a little bit curved, and you can do it in different lengths as well. Alright, nearly done. So the only other little detail I'd like to add in here is a small line. So kind of pretend this is the bottom of her face or her chin. So we're going to start here and just carry it nice curve like that. Because it kind of like she's made out of ice cream and she's kind of plonked on top of the cone, and then all the ice cream is squished out onto the side. Right, I'm talking about the ice cream. Let's draw the ice cream cone. So we're going to draw a nice big, kind of like a V shape. It's going to be quite curved, a little bit curved on each side and quite rounded on the bottom as well. Okay, it's a nice kind of a cute shape. That is looking good. Now the only other detail I'm going to put in here is because she's this is an ice cream cone. It's kind of like a like made out of waffles. So we're going to add some details in there. So we're just going to add some lines. Go across this way. Maybe 1, 2, 3, and then in the opposite direction. So it creates like a bit of a crisscross. We're going to do some more curves. So we're going to do another 1, 2, I might do another one here, 3, like that. Cool, that's looking good. Alright, so there we go. There's Hello Kitty as an ice cream, or Hello Kitty ice cream cone. And next steps is to colour in. Right, we're going to fast forward this part, but we'll be back shortly. And we're back. We've finished colouring in, and we've done Hello Kitty. It's traditional sort of colours. It's almost got like a bit of a red or pink bow and a little yellow nose. So you've made your eyes blue, which is cool, and just coloured in the cone. And I've made my outlines a little bit thicker, but you can do yours thin lines like that as well. It looks pretty cool. With Hello Kitty, we've just kept her white, which is kind of the colour she normally is. So I guess she's kind of a vanilla ice cream, Hello Kitty ice cream cone. But if you wanted to, you can colour it in different colours. If it's strawberry, colour it in strawberry colours, or chocolate, or whatever your favourite ice cream flavour is. Well, we hope you followed along and had fun drawing Hello Kitty ice cream. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other drawing videos, including some more Hello Kitty stuff as well. So I hope to see you again soon. Bye!